the executive director of the African Women Against Violence, aiwa onyorera aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe wamuzi vice president Konzatino Chiwenga tsamba yashamisa vanhu. Sanabena mashoko anoonekwa this open letter is director kuna Constantino Lobo subscribe like on the bell like chipinda tsamba inobuda nyingwa ichinzi open letter to General Constantino, vice president of Zimbabwe. Dear General Constantino, I write to you with the utmost respect as your daughter and as a woman who once experienced the deep pain of losing access to her children. Today, I humbly reach out to you on behalf of Mary Mbayiwa, my organization, Mpumalani, Minnesota, African Women Against Violence, and myself to plead with you, say, to allow Mary access to her children. Sir, I'm a great admirer and supporter of your wife, Minnie Baloyi Chiwenga. Her work with the children is admirable, and she has earned the respect of many for her efforts to uplift the most vulnerable among us. However, the current situation surrounding Mary's separation from her children is casting an undeserved shadow over her image and, by extension, your leadership on social media and in public discourse. I see criticism that are unfairly directed at Minnie despite her good work. Please know that this plea comes from a place of deep respect, admiration, and faith in your ability to lead not just Zimbabwe but also your family with grace and dignity. I hope that by the time we will come 2025, this situation will be resolved and your children will have the gift of their mother's love alongside yours. May the Lord bless you abundantly and guide you in your endeavors. Yours sincerely, Lubanyana Comfort Dondo. Tomashwa nobuda nyora panapa tikuona kuti aiwa vanhu vauchema chema vachiti aiwa ngavachimbodzora moyo wavo, aiwa vamborega kuomesa, aiwa vambobvisa nharo dzavo. Vari kuonwa kuti aiwa sezvamungoziva Mary Mbayiwa panguva inoratidza kuona aiwa vana vake pamwe chete aiwa nezvamunoona health conditions ari exposed to nekumadocuments ake amuona aiwa ari confiscated. Zvinhu zviri kunyatsoitika nyika yeZimbabwe zviri kuoneka kunzi aiwa zviri kutanisha the leadership yenyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakoma section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.